Una etiko leteku kumana umhlonishwa Savannah Mazia. Very good to see you today, Minister.
How you doing? It's been a while.
It's been a while, Minister. Minister, just one question. Ingonyama lonyaka celebrating 40 years kusukela yabekwa esihlanu sebukhosi beningahalalisani tsini kuyo ingonyama.
Sami simfisela lokuhle lokuningi siyamthandaza la every day ukuthi uNkulunkulu amnike iwisdom amnike amandla nokuthi ke imnike 40 more years ukuthi aphathe live leli.
Minister, ubene my initiatives la sijabulisile kakhulu sive etiko la ekuthume khona ingonyama. Asikhulume nga government in your hand ukuthi how is the nation responding to this great initiative?
It's responding very, very well. Sijabule kakhulu ukuthi sive siyakwathi lokuthi sifuna ukuthi sibe ne-convenience nokuthi singamoshi imali solushiya emalayini kahulumende. Ngalo we've got 12 programs. Lo mnyaka lo lesikuye nyalo sifaka lo mnye 30. It's going to be very exciting ngoba lokunye nje lesakufaka ukuthi abantu inkomo jabo bakwathi ukuthi tingakuphi nokuthi bangayi kodokotela bakwathi ukuthi baye badokotela ekhaya. So kuningi vele sikwendela sive ukuthi sive sibone ukuthi sikwathi bathole convenience from government. Lokhu important kithi lokho.
Si administer ukuthi live lisebenta ngetinkhundla kakhulu. How far have you gone as a ministry in ensuring ukuthi bo internet and some of these programs ayefika etinkhundleni eMaswatini?
As you know, kwanyalo nje sesina 48 tinkhundla leti thole inakhunjana free Wi-Fi. Sifuna ukuyifaka to the rest bese sifaka netikolweni netibhedlela so that bantu bonke bathole le opportunity ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi babe ne-internet.
Your message to the youth, Minister, etinzabeni kwenda sure ukuthi they take advantage of the digital space that's exciting that has been created, and especially content creators.
I would say that we are working very hard for content creators. Now bathole imali so that they can be paid like everybody else. So that's exciting for us. I would say to the youth, keep getting involved in our classes free, that recognized globally, and get involved in opening businesses for yourselves, get involved in getting good jobs both here and remotely. You are working with them, which is what so we are really wanting the youth to be involved so that youth corrupt, but it focus on doing work for the nation.
It's always a pleasure, Honorable Minister.
It's always a pleasure.